Welcome back to the class of online of English 2, class 5th, lesson 19, from the town to the village. As in our last class, I have explained you half of this chapter. Now we are going to continue from the fourth paragraph. Okay, so please take out your book and keep finger on your book. I am going to start the explanation. See, though I live happily. Now here in this chapter, the boy is telling that he used to live happily. I don't like the noise and busy life all around. And that particular boy, he don't like the noisy place and the busy life all around. He don't like. Means at last the conclusion what it will come? He likes the village most. Comparing to the town, he likes the village most. Right from the morning to night, there is noise everywhere. And he's telling that in a town, what it happens, from everywhere, noise is used to come. Everyone seems busy. Yes, it is exactly happens. When you are seeing in the town, you can see everyone is rushing here and there for the office. Morning they are getting up, they are going for the office, school, many things. Isn't it? In town, many people all are busy in their own work. There is a blare of music. Now that boy is telling, in town, what things happens? Blare of music means a sound of music. Blare of music means music की बहुत तेज से आवाज आना. Cries of hawkers. Hawkers means, do you know? Don't know. Hawkers means suppose the person who sells good ones. आपके मोहल्ले में आते होंगे ना, फेरी वाले जाते हैं ना, फेरी वाले आते हैं ना, प्लास्टिक का वो सामान अगर सेल करते होंगे, आते कि नहीं आते? ओके फाइन. When I told that word फेरी वाले, now they are selling the blanket also, bed sheet also. They are selling na? That is only called hawkers. And plastic things also they are selling. And if unused things are there, जैसे for Hindi कबाड़ी वाले भी होते हैं ना, वो आते हैं, तो they are called the hawkers. Okay, they are called the hawkers. The honking of horns, and when they are coming, they are pulling the horn also. Continuously they are pulling the horn. That you will compel, means they are making you to compel out of your home to see what the particular things they are selling. And the smoke from the factories. And in the town what happens? The smoke, it comes from the factories also. When I want to study, these things disturb me. And that boy is telling that when I want to be steady, when I am going to study, this all sound, it is disturbing him. I feel like running to less crowded place, and that boy is telling that whenever I hear this much crowd sound, what he is thinking? He is feeling that he should run away to the less crowded place. A less crowded place he should run and he should live there only, peacefully, means no sound should come. This is the reason during my vacation I like to visit my uncle in a nearby village. Yes, now that is the point. In the village, in the vacation time, in the holiday times, what that boy used to do, he used to run to his uncle home, like you all are doing. You all will get the holidays, you will run to your nani home, your grandfather home in the village, correct? You all are doing na? Same, and what a peaceful things you are getting there. No sound, no vehicle sound, peaceful. So that only that boy is also expecting. There live my uncle, aunt, cousin and grandmother. All of them love me much. Now he's telling that there my uncle, aunt and my grandmother lives and they all love me very much. My grandmother is always excited at my visit. My uncle take me around the field. Now his grandmother is very excited when he used to come to the village. And his grandfather, what he is supposed to do? He take him to the field. Turn the page. Meadows and the trees. There I love to watch many birds, animals, butterflies, and that butterflies which I do not see in the town. Now what is the thing? He likes to see these all things, birds, butterflies, and it is true, we never used to see in the village. How much butterflies and birds and animals we supposed to see in the village, we can't see in the town. I also have made friends with some children there where we play together. And in village also that boy has made a friend with whom he used to play. They always flock my uncle's house as soon as they get wind of my arrival. And flock मतलब इकट्ठा हो जाना. फ्लॉक मतलब होता है इकट्ठा हो जाना. जैसे ही उस लड़के के बारे में जानकारी मिलती है उसके दोस्तों को विलेज में कि वो आ गया है, तो फ्लॉक यानी कि तुरंत झुंड में वो सब आते हैं उससे मिलने के लिए. They are always curious to know about my town. They feel surprised at my liking for their village life. और वो बहुत सरप्राइज होते हैं, उसके विलेज फ्रेंड बहुत सरप्राइज होते हैं ये सुन करके कि उसको टाउन में नहीं, उसको शहर में नहीं पसंद है, उसको गांव में रहना ज्यादा पसंद है. I always find it hard to return my urban ways. Urban ways means वापस उसी जगह पे जाना, यानी कि शहर, यानी कि उसका अर्बन बेस क्या है, टाउन है. वापस उसी जगह पे जाना उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. My uncle, aunt, cousin and above all grandmother feel sad when I get ready to return. और ये वहां पे ये कह रहा है कि जब हम वापस लौटते हैं अपने शहर के लिए, उस टाइम मेरी अंकल, आंट, कजिन्स और मेरे ग्रैंडमदर जो है वो बहुत ही उदास हो जाती है. I only want to return when my vacation end. और मैं तभी वापस जाना चाहता हूँ जब मेरी छुट्टियां खत्म हो जाती हैं. If I were not to join my school, I would love to stay there more. और यहाँ पे इसने ये भी बोला है कि अगर मुझे दोबारा स्कूल ज्वाइन नहीं करना पड़ता तो मैं यहीं पे रहता. My grandmother gives me lot of gifts at the time of returning home. It is always my uncle who accompanies me back home. और फिर उसमें बाद में बोला कि मेरी ग्रैंडमदर ने बहुत सारा गिफ्ट्स मुझे दिया. एंड इट ऑल्सो ऑलवेज माई अंकल बैक होम, यानी कि वापस जाने के लिए उसके अंकल बहुत उसको प्रेरित करते हैं कि बेटा वहां पे आप जाओगे, वहां पे आपके स्कूल्स हैं. लाइक दैट हिज अंकल यूज्ड टू इंकरेज हिम. आफ्टर रिटर्निंग टू माई हाउस इन द टाउन, इट टेक्स मी अ फ्यू डेज टू फॉल इनटू द डेली रूटीन ऑफ द टाउन अगेन. और काफी लंबी छुट्टी बिताने के बाद जब मैं वापस शहर में आता हूँ तो मुझे उसी रूटीन में ढलना, यानी कि फिर से वही स्कूल, सारे साउंड्स अपने आप एडजस्ट करने में थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइम लगता है. आई गो अबाउट टेलिंग फ्रेंड्स माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई विजिट टू द विलेज. और अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को वो बताता है कि कैसे उसने विलेज, उसके गांव में कैसे उसने विजिट किया, क्या क्या चीजें उसने ऑब्जर्व किया. I want my town to be less noisy, less crowded and full of natural life like my uncle's village. और उसकी ये ख्वाहिश है कि उसका जो शहर है वो कम आवाज हो, वहां पे ज्यादा भीड़ ना हो, कम भीड़ हो और नेचुरल थिंग्स हो जैसे उसके अंकल के हाउस में है. So this chapter it was about a boy who lives in the town but he likes to live in the village. Correct? So as for the homework, you have to read this chapter carefully and which all difficult words are there, you have to write the meanings in your book by your own. Clear?